From the opulent journey of the future. Greetings. Set away your RV expertise. This is more than just a car. It's a statement. Introducing the first of its kind, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome. This incredible construction is powered by the Chiron's well-known 8.0-liter quad-turbo W16 engine, which was designed for cruising efficiency. A mild hybrid system provides quick torque and maximum efficiency at low speeds. This one-of-a-kind piece of art combines the performance of a hypercar with the aesthetics of a house. The shape has changed from a simple box to a flowing, aerodynamic beauty because of seamless body panels and lightweight carbon fiber. The front end is dominated by the angular, slender LED headlights on each side of Bugatti's recognizable horseshoe grille. The massive aerodynamic wheels, practical air intakes, and angular body lines radiate speed and beauty even when stopped. It is an amazing work of art that perfectly captures Bugatti opulence like no other route. The feeling of being inside the Bugatti Motorhome cockpit is really enthralling. The dashboard is the perfect combination of modern simplicity and unmatched elegance. Every surface is covered in the finest handmade leather and matte carbon fiber, with accents of billet aluminum and polished titanium. The ultra-wide curved touchscreen on the dashboard offers realistic three-dimensional navigation, thorough flight information, and haptic feedback access to basic vehicle operations. The inside is converted into an adventure-ready private aircraft cockpit with dynamic LED ambient lighting that changes to your mood and a steering wheel modeled after a hypercar that offers precise control. The main internal space, the living area, is a multi-purpose, opulent retreat. The exquisitely embroidered Alcantara panels covering the walls contrast dramatically with the exquisitely polished black oak floors. At the push of a button, electric slide-out modules dramatically expand the space, creating a spacious sitting area with a sofa and comfortable aniline leather chairs. A foldable carbon fiber dining table emerges out of the floor, while a hidden transparent OLED screen may be used to display the outside view or to create an ultra-high-definition multimedia entertainment center. Thanks to a built-in voice control and quick satellite connection technology, you can keep in touch with the outside world even in the most remote locations. The sleeping chamber is more than just a place to sleep. It's your personal sanctuary. The king-size bed with Italian silk sheets and the plush memory foam mattress are the main features. The bedroom walls are covered with leather-wrapped acoustic panels that guarantee total silence. The integrated entertainment system has an adjustable surround sound system, a fold-out projection screen, and LED starlights on the ceiling to create a fantastic atmosphere. A specifically designed carbon fiber wardrobe and hidden storage drawers offer plenty of storage capacity without compromising appearance. The bathroom's elegance is also evident. This straightforward yet efficient design makes use of polished titanium fittings and light Carrara marble floors. The most pleasant option is a smart toilet with heated seats and automatic cleaning, while a rain shower with digital temperature control provides a rejuvenating bathing experience. A sophisticated air ventilation system and a mirror with built-in LED lights ensure the best air circulation. This is more than just a bathroom. It's your own spa wherever you go. The Bugatti Motorhome's kitchen is a wonder of design and technology. It features incredible built-in stainless steel equipment, including a dual induction cooktop, a convection oven microwave, and a large refrigerator freezer. Innovative storage choices and countertops made of a lightweight, stain-resistant composite material that simulates stone ensure that every instrument and ingredient is maintained in its appropriate place. An espresso machine and built-in wine cooler round off your gastronomic journey. This kitchen is designed to enable you to cook delicious meals whether you're in the middle of the desert or on a mountaintop. Bugatti Motorhome 2026. More than a car, it is a vision. A real-life illustration of limitless riches and limitless exploration. It's Bugatti.